Objectives. Objective 1. Introduce Python as an enabling programming language. Imagine you and your students embarking on a digital journey through Melbourne's bustling streets. Python becomes your trusty guide, the language that enables you to bridge the gap between creative ideas and practical solutions. Picture your students crafting programs that mimic the ebb and flow of the Yarra River or bring to life local footy matches. Python isn't just code, it's the passport to enabling them to transform their ideas into reality. Objective 2. Cover essential Python syntax. Meet Alice and Bob, your two students eager to delve into Python's mysteries. You'll guide them through the basics, teaching them how to wield variables, manipulate numbers, arrange conditionals, use objects and play with text, image and sounds. These are the very elements that will empower Alice and Bob to create their own digital stories. It's not about abstract theory, it's about equipping them with the tools to craft their own Aussie-inspired coding adventures, one line of Python at a time.